Hi, I'm Barbara J. Graham, Abstract Expressionist Painter, and today I've got about half an hour, so I want to bang out a low-key painting. In other words, a very dark painting, working dark to light, which when you're starting with a white piece of paper is really difficult. Let's see what happens. I've already been painting this afternoon, so I've got some colours mixed up, which is going to be a challenge because I'm working with colours that I don't particularly like. If you want to know more about my three-colour theory, check out the link in the description below. I've done a whole video on colour mixing and how you can get perfect colour harmony every single time using just three colours. Or starting with just three colours, there's a little cheat in there. But check out the video, check the description box below and you'll see what I'm talking about. Right, I've got my surface down, as thick as I can get it, and as streak free as I can get it. Compositionally, let's have a little think. Do something like this. Let's go with a sort of standard S kind. Oh, how does an S work? I know an S does that, doesn't it? Ah! Well, that was interesting. This is too busy. Right, this needs to be dry. Yeah, this is not going to work until that background is way calmer. So I'm going to let it dry and go back over it. So now the paint is dry underneath, I'm able to quite freely go back over it. The idea is I want to tidy up the areas where the paint is looking a bit patchy to give myself a really neat background, and then just create a fresh set of marks over the top. I'm always moving the painting around, you know, because looking at it from one side is going to be different from looking at it from another, so there's always a fresh perspective. The really difficult thing about starting with a dark background is how light to go how quickly. And then with my bright purple, I just want to use it really sparingly. But there's something about it that brings the whole composition to life. Now I really feel like I'm on a roll. I'm using pastels and pencils, scraping back into things, covering things up. As each layer dries, I'm able to get lighter and lighter. But I want to do it in stages, because if I go too light too quickly, then I have to go back again. This is my pencil cutting into the thick layer of acrylic paint. I absolutely love the contrast between the bright yellow paint on the surface cutting back through to the dried dark paint underneath. It's really starting to come alive now. It's marks like this that really set my heart on fire. Gotta use some of that cerulean blue somewhere. I'm still not sure about it. I think we're there. The best way to look at it is just to take off the tape and see what the final composition looks like. I might still make a few last minute adjustments. Well, that's been quite a journey with this painting. It's really hard to go from, we go from a white surface to putting darker colours on all the time. So we're quite practised at it, and so it comes much easier. But with this, it was about trying to think in reverse, about starting with a dark colour and then putting on light. And I've tried this many times before, and I don't think I've been as successful as I have this time. I'm really pleased with this, and once again I stuck to my 3-colour palette. If you want to see a full colour mixing tutorial, check the description box and I'll provide a link for how you can get access to that. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my website where this painting and prints of it will be for sale shortly, and see you again soon.